Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Are you looking for the ultimate heavy-duty dump trailer? Introducing the HZH Heavy Duty Dump. With axle options of 10, 12 or even 16K duals and a 12-ton telescopic cylinder makes it perfect for the heavy cargo. It comes in either pintle hitch or gooseneck with length options of 16, 18 or 20 feet and has 2, 3 or 4 foot 10 gauge sides with a 7 gauge steel flooring. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. The trailer we are reviewing today is the Gooseneck, 20 foot length with 4 foot sides and has two 10K duals for the axles. Starting at the front, it features a 2.5/16 Gooseneck adjustable coupler rated at 30,000 pounds, 3 8 grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. To lift the trailer, it has two spring-loaded drop leg jacks rated at 12,000 pounds each, upgradable to the hydraulic jacks if you don't like cranking. In between the tongue, you will find this mega lockable toolbox where you have a lot of space for all your tools or whatever you need on the job. If you ever come to have a flat on the road, it comes standard with a spare tire up here. For the tongue, the HZH features our nicely designed engineered 12-inch I-beam, making it nice and also durable. Plus, for the main frame, it has a 12-inch I-beam weighing in at 19 pounds per foot. Welded to the frame on this side is the mega toolbox, housing the battery charger, hydraulic pump and a wired remote which is upgradable to the wireless remote. The dump main frame is made of a 6-inch seat channel, and the dump bed frame is made of a 3x4-inch 11-gauge tubing with 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart. And for lifting the dump, it's a 12-ton telescopic cylinder dumping at an angle of 44 up to 48 degrees depending on the trailer length. Welded to the side of the dump are these retractable steps. Gives you easy access to the manual tarp kit which comes standard and also to look inside the dump. One awesome highlight you will notice on our dumps are these rounded sides. Not only are they nice and clean looking but also durable because of the 10 gauge rolled steel plate. And since this is the heavy duty trailer, we added two side supports to support the sides. Also, the top railing is made of a 3x5-inch 11-gauge tubing which has stake ID pockets and L-hooks. For the running gear, the HZH features two 10K Lippert electric brake dual oil bath spring axles with 10-ply dual tires on 16-inch black mod wheels. These are upgradable to the 12K or 16K duals if you need something more heavy duty yet. At the rear of this HZH, it features these nice big DOT-approved Technique LED lights and Merkur lights here at the rear and along the side for extra visibility. For the door, it has a functional 3-way door which you can open as normal barn doors or as a spreader gate to spread gravel or sand. Opening the doors, it features these D-rings to lock them in place and they won't come down when you're dumping the load. It has a 37-inch deck height and a 96-inch deck width with a 7-gauge for the flooring. It comes with two heavy-duty 8-foot long 4-inch channel ramps rated at 5,000 pounds each. On this side of the trailer, you will find another mega lockable toolbox. So you really have a lot of space for all your tools or equipment you need on your job. At Horizon, we ensure that the paint will be top quality. That's why the HZH goes through our 6-step painting process, which includes steel grip blasting and a powder coat, Plus we have the option of adding zinc primer undercoat, giving extra durability. And remember, the HZH has a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus is NATM certified, giving you peace of mind that if you buy the HZH, it will be top quality. To find a dealer near you, visit our website at horizontrailers.com/find a dealer. I'll catch you in the next video.